Unlock the secrets behind building an empire that endures, just like Berkshire Hathaway. Today, we're diving deep into the actionable insights and strategic principles that make Berkshire Hathaway a titan of industry and a benchmark for success. This isn't just about making money. It's about building lasting value. First, the core of Warren Buffett's genius lies in his approach to investing. Step 1. Embrace the long game. Understand that true wealth isn't built overnight. Focus on acquiring businesses with durable competitive advantages. What Buffett calls moats. These are factors that protect a company's profits and market share from competitors, like strong brand recognition or cost advantages. Step 2. Invest in what you understand. Buffett famously avoids complex industries. He doesn't grasp, he seeks out predictable earnings and companies with simple, yet powerful business models. This means deep dive research and a profound understanding of the underlying economics. Now, let's talk management and capital allocation. Step 3. Delegate and empower. Berkshire Hathaway operates on a decentralized model. Buffett acquires great companies and allows their existing management teams to run them. He trusts their expertise, intervening only when absolutely necessary. This fosters a culture of autonomy and accountability. Step 4. Intelligent capital allocation. Buffett's magic lies in knowing when to reinvest profits back into existing businesses, when to acquire new ones, and when to return capital to shareholders through buybacks or dividends. He treats capital as a precious resource, always seeking the highest returns. Step 5. Cultivate integrity and ethical conduct. This is non-negotiable. Berkshire Hathaway's reputation is built on honesty and transparency. Build a business founded on strong ethical principles, and trust will follow, which is invaluable for long-term success. By applying these core tenets, the long game, deep understanding, empowered management, intelligent capital allocation, and unwavering integrity, you can begin to build your own empire. Start small, stay principled, and think long-term. Ready to build lasting value? Subscribe for more insights into building a financially robust enterprise.